Hello, dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family. Today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is adverse. Adverse. Adverse means unfavorable, hostile. Synonyms of adverse are disadvantageous, dreadful. Example: one must try to overcome adverse circumstances. One must try to overcome adverse circumstances. Here, adverse is an adjective. An adjective is one of the 8 parts of speech. Adjectives provide further information about a noun. Specifically, they explain more about a noun's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Example: it's a lovely table. Did you see how big that dog was? Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye.